if you watch, everybody is packing, and that's Nanda Buribu. I have Madato from this bus. I have passengers from this particular vehicle. Then the other Sienna. Okay, the other Sienna happens. How would the whole passenger buy man?
Even driver.
God.
Even driver.
But how happened the motor there? Jesus Christ. This is happening this morning. Today is 10th, Thursday, 10th of June. Not on the Fulani. Most of those Fulani been Okigwe here. So, my brother, there is problem. You know, the worst part of it now is that we don't have anywhere to call. We don't know who to call to come and help. You see, Nigeria is finished. There is nobody to call to come and rescue this situation right now. Here now, I happen to have to make up one also. Additional happen one also. I can never name that's the name also on I can see everybody on also. So the Sienna just arrived now. Let's see what happened and know what happened. God, look at this woman. Look at the Sienna here. Look at the Sienna here and the men of Tutwa. Who's somebody in this country? Look at these ladies. I don't know if they were raped or not. Oh God. Yeah, I know Okigwe now. Going to Okigwe like this. Go. Calm down there. Calm down. Calm down.